Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Buddy AI account. To delete your Buddy AI account, first of all, open up the Buddy AI app on your device and from the home page, tap on the gear button. Right after you do that, you'll open up this General tab. From the General tab, tap on your account button at the top. Now, click on Delete My Account at the bottom of the screen. Click on Delete My Account again. Remember that if you want to proceed deleting your account, all of your progress, profile information and settings will be erased as well. You will not be able to recover your data after deletion. To confirm, tap on Delete My Account and click on OK. And you will then be redirected to your device's home screen, and that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Buddy AI tutorials. I will see you in the next video.